Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the front of the arm using charcoal. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now, let's get to the video. Okay, so starting off, we're going to block in our shoulder, which will be similar to a rounded triangle, along with two additional shapes similar to a rectangle representing both the bicep and forearm. Also keep note that the forearm will be longer than the bicep as you block in your shapes. You also want to add a small triangle at the bottom of the bicep to indicate the starting point / crease of both the inner and outer forearm muscles. Also, don't worry if your drawing looks too rough in the beginning stage, since we're just pretty much trying to block in the overall form of the arm. Then once your arm is blocked out and you're satisfied with your shapes and forms, we're going to begin to soften all of our lines to prep our drawing for when we add in tone. And again, if you don't remember from my previous video, the tool I'm using is called a soft knife, and it's basically just an alternative to using your fingers or paper towel when adding any kind of tone or shading, but you can use it as a drawing tool as well. So once you're finished softening your drawing, you want to start by going back and adding some more line weight to the darkest parts of your arm, along with adding any subtle dark tones. So from here we can start going back again and softening all our dark tones that we just made, along with erasing any unnecessary marks. This is basically going to give us like a slight mid-tone in certain areas as well. Next, taking the tip of your pencil, we're going to add a hard edge line to the outer border of our drawing to give it some more dimension. Also, keep note to take your time at this stage since it will be a little bit difficult to erase any lines later on if you make any mistakes. So take your time. You usually want to add this, you want to add the hard edge line usually when you're like fully satisfied with your shapes basically. And if done correctly, you should start to notice that your drawing has a somewhat three-dimensional look to it now. So also going even further, you want to also darken the creases of the arm even more, along with adding any additional tone near the border of your drawing. This is going to make it so that we have a bit more contrast to our drawing as well. And that is our video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care everyone.